Hey folks, this is Garrett Monroe, Hiram College, Tech and Trek. I'm excited today to be talking about Zoom. And from a student perspective, how can you use Zoom? That's this app right down here. It's our web conferencing tool. How can you use Zoom to host your own meeting and invite other students or other folks into a small group to collaborate? So you're probably familiar with Zoom by now. You've probably been taking some courses online. It's probably installed on your device. Now, if it's not installed or you can't find it, let me show you a quick trick to find it. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click the Command Space button, Command Space on the keyboard, and you're just going to search for Zoom. And this is Command Space on your keyboard. It's a great handy tool that'll show us, here's Zoom. It also shows me stuff in emails that I've been working on. So that's going to go ahead and open up my Zoom app. You can see my toolbar down here. Now, if you don't have an account yet, most of you probably don't if you're a student, then it's going to say join a meeting or sign in or sign up. And if you join a meeting, you're probably familiar with this, with just going directly into your instructor's courses. Now, in order to host a meeting, you actually have to go down here and create an account. So I'm going to actually walk you through that real quick. I'm going to create an account here with my personal email, because I already have one, with my Hiram. I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and I'm going to go ahead and check my email, and just pause this really quick while. All right, folks, I am back, and I've gone ahead and created my personal Zoom account, and you can see now that I'm signed in with my personal email. You can also use your Hiram address here, by the way, and it'll be a personal account, but using that email address, that's totally fine too. This pulled up my image because I used my Gmail account, and it pulled in that data from there. Now it should give you this dashboard, which allows you to host a meeting. Check it out. So if you are maybe a leader in your small group, you're going to want to click on New Meeting. And what I suggest is you use this Use Personal Room, use this personal ID number, tap that on. And this will give you a code. This is kind of like a phone number for your Zoom. And this is a number you can share with people, and they can use that code to join your meeting. So I just click Start Meeting. And now it is hosting a meeting here. You can maybe see me. Hello. More or less, what you can do is just invite people with that code at the top of the screen, and then they can join your meeting. And with a personal account, that's a free account. You can you can host a session up to 40 minutes with I think it's several dozen people. I think it's up to 40 people, something like this, or maybe it's up to 100 people for up to 40 minutes. So you have a lot of leeway there with just a free account, and we suggest you do that. Now, you might want to, with working with small groups, you might also just want to use a Google Hangouts or a Skype or a FaceTime or whatever. So we're just showing you here how to use Zoom. Look, as always, go ahead and shoot us an email at techandtrek@hiram.edu or MUNROGR, that's MonroeGR at hiram.edu with any sort of questions. Good luck Zooming, and go Terriers.